Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Interfirst Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC or any other browser and go to the Google search bar and search for Interfirst Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the login portal of Interfirst Mortgage Company. Now, what you need to do is write down your username, write down your password, click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and hit the login button. This way you can successfully log into your Interfirst Mortgage account. Now, if you want your browser to remember your username, click on this button and you will not have to type your username and the next time you log in. You want to read the user terms and privacy policy. These are the links which you want to go through. And if in case you haven't registered to your account or if you haven't created an account, this is the link for you to create an Interfirst Mortgage account for yourself. If you forgot your password or username, these are the links which you want to go through to retrieve your account or recover your password once again. This was a video on how you can log into your Interfirst Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.